There's an experience in Tokyo that has literally split an entire city. Tourists love it. Some Tokyo locals, well, let's just say they have a few thoughts. Today, we are driving go-karts on the streets of Tokyo through the famous Shibuya Crossing. Alright guys, we're just about to head out to the go-karts. Excited?
A little bit scared, but we'll be right.
Scared?
Yeah, we're going through Shibuya, the crossing.
Nah, it's gonna
So
be
many
good.
people there.
It's gonna be good. It'll be fun.
Anyways, we'll see how that adventure turns out.
So you guys can pull down your handbrake.
Yeah, all good.
Yeah.
You want me to pull it down?
Yeah, you can pull it down.
They said don't feed
When?
on the safety video.
You gotta test it to make sure it works.
Alright, ready to leave?
No.
Yep.
No. Please say yes.
Yes. We're going through Tokyo, Shibuya, on go-karts at night. Hell yeah. Before we hit the road, Akiba Kart gave us a real safety briefing, and I want to make this clear. This is not a theme park. These are real Tokyo streets, real traffic lights, real cars. The guide runs through actual Japanese road rules. Follow formation, no overtaking, stay with the convoy. And that's the moment it genuinely hits you. This isn't a ride. You're about to drive a vehicle on public roads in a foreign country, in Shibuya. That feeling right there, hold on to it.
How do you like it so far?
It's good, bro.
Sorry if I'm going slow.
The Shibuya Crossing is just there. On the left. How is it? Wow. Here's something that caught me completely off guard. Every photo you've ever seen of Shibuya is from above. Shibuya sky, the Starbucks window, rooftop bars. Thousands of images looking down at the crossing, but right now, we're at street level, seeing the buildings the way they were built to be seen, towering straight up, and seeing Shibuya the way the locals actually experience it every single day. It's so cool. That's cool. So good.
Please. Okay, Mark.
That's cool, eh? So cool. I want to be honest about something. This is a tourist experience, and the go-kart convoy does briefly slow traffic at certain points. We noticed that. Tokyo drivers were patient, respectful, classic Japan. But a few looks from locals reminded us, this is their city, their commute, and we are simply guests. That actually made the experience feel more meaningful, not less, because it kept us present and grateful the entire time. That was so cool. A few things worth knowing if you're planning this. We booked through Klook, Akiba Kart Shibuya location. We'll leave a link in the description. You absolutely need an international driving permit. not just your home license. That catches a lot of travelers out, so sort it before you land. The Shibuya route covers some genuinely iconic streets. The guide leads the convoy and costume hire is included. Budget around 115 AUD per adult for the 30-minute experience. Is it the cheapest thing you'll do in Tokyo? Probably not, but we'll get to the verdict in a second. Yeah. That was awesome.
Oh my
That's
God.
the cars.
That was fun.
That was awesome.
Nice.
Alright guys, we're just back from the go-karts and that was absolutely amazing. We booked it through Klook. The company was called Akiba Kart Shibuya. The guys were absolutely amazing in there. Everyone was really helpful.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, they were pretty good.
Do it again?
Pretty good. I probably would, yeah.
Recommend it?
Definitely recommend it. Like if you are here, you have to do them. Yeah, the experience is insane. And it's not that scary. Like I thought it would be scary, but they don't go too fast. Pretty good. Definitely worth doing.
I had an absolute blast, guys. I loved it. The guys were heaps good at the
Yeah.
place as well. They were really helpful.
Yeah.
So
And there was 6 of us. So I think they said that the most that they take in one go is 8. But with our one, and we got the 9:10, which was the last session of the night, we got the 9:10 one, and there was only 6 of us with that one. But highly recommend it.
thanks guys if you're watching this. Appreciate all your help with the setup today. That was awesome. Had an awesome time.
Yeah, they were really good.
For now, we're probably going to wrap it up here. It's pretty late. It's almost 11 o'clock here now.
11 o'clock.
And we've got an early start tomorrow morning because tomorrow morning we're going to Disney Sea.
Disney Sea.
So we're going to wrap it up here. If you haven't already, give us a like, comment down below, let us know if you've done the go-karts, what your thoughts are of Tokyo. And like always, it'll help us a lot if you subscribe to the channel, show some love, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yep.
Catch you tomorrow.
Bye.